What's up guys, welcome back to another video. And as you can see, Louis is behind me and the car is actually in Johannesburg. A lot of explaining is needed to you guys. As you know, this channel is all about transparency, so a lot of explaining is needed. But yeah, the car is looking great. Yeah guys, before we get into the video, I just want to give a big shout out to Naz from Race SA. I'm gonna put his details on the screen and in the description below. You guys can contact him. He actually organized the car carriers for me to bring Louis here. And as you can see, the car came here without a scratch. Just as I loaded it, I put a lot of stuff inside the car. To basically get it here, like stuff at the garage, because I got another surprise for you guys. But yeah, car got here just as it was loaded and no issues. Speedy service, excellent service, so really grateful for that. Thank you, Naz. Also, I'd like to shout out AB Movers, Alberton. I'll put their logo on the screen and the contact details for Maria. She helped with the house moving side of things, and yeah, excellent service as well. As the stuff was given to them there, they basically came through. We packed everything because that was the arrangement we made with them, but they do packing as well. But we packed our own stuff. They came, they loaded everything, put it in the truck, got it here within. They loaded on Friday afternoon. They were done Friday about 11 o'clock, and the truck was here at 1 o'clock on Monday. So yeah guys, excellent service from them as well. So yeah, that's the two people that I would like to give a shout out to in this video. But I have another surprise for you guys, and I will be taking you guys over to that in a few. Before we do that, before we get out to the surprise, let's go through to visit ERF Racing, Lance and the team, Sugi, see what they're up to. It's been a while, so yeah, you can see Too Funky out and about. Busy, bro. You busy? Just doing a vlog, yeah? Hey, big noise, yeah. But yeah, you can see the others are busy here, ERF Racing. Waiting a vlog, film all it. Yeah, guys, so that ERF, so the top is full. You can see there's some nice cars here. This one, I think I showed this in my previous episode. But yeah, the R32 Club Caddy, there's a lot of progress on this one. As you know, we are racing, they don't waste time in the game. As soon as you go, they build cars quick and fast. Yeah, so got a super boss here. You got a super boss. It's nice, man. Fresh. Car is locked or what? Yeah, I think so. I don't want to jump in those cars now and things. But yeah, can't really see the seats. Maybe I can open the door. Just open the door and then you can check the pattern. Clean, super boss. Ish. Number 1. Opel Owners Club. If you're a car enthusiast of SA, you know the story with this car. Superboss, 325 IS, and I think it was a VR6 competition. It was a competitor. Or the GTI Superboss, I don't know, something like that. There's Sugi here, we busy. My trailer reversing skills is on point in the small gap because it's raining outside. I don't know if you guys can hear, but if you look closely, it's raining. So we just getting the car on the trailer now, so that we can take it to the new place that I just showed you guys. And then obviously I can start working on it there. Shout out to my friend Shalom, using his bakkie. This Isuzu is neat, clean spec, original. They had this thing I think since brand new. For all the years, we still have it. But yeah, this is basically the car on the trailer now. And then we're gonna head off to the new space, the new headquarters of Rolling the Rod. And yeah, but how's my trailer reversing skills? There's a truck parked there, there's this gap, and I managed to get it in, and the car on the trailer. We loaded the car from here, so the trailer was where the car was there. So the trailer was here, and the car was there. So we loaded it onto here, and then I just reversed it back, so we can just check something on those wipers. But yeah, guys, day in the life. You guys are seeing it all. Out here, guys. The chicken licken, not a story. Okay, guys, so just like that, Louis is in, and as you can see, the tools are behind me. We have the compressor, the toolbox, and then we have a whole lot of stuff in the car that needs to be unpacked. So yeah, guys, before I show you guys what's happening, just want to show you guys what's here on the floor. Louis is now a Lego car. But yeah, there we have it. Doors are off, fenders are off. The reason I took the doors off is because I was looking like here and things, and it's pointless me spraying the car and stuff, and then this is not up to scratch. There's fiberglass here, so probably when the guy is welding the engine bay for the wire tuck, we're gonna have to weld here and fix this up because this is not on. We'll have to, yeah, we'll have to see, similar to how we did the caddy. We'll have to see there. But other than that, everything is sharp. But at least now I can, you know, paint everything nicely. I'm gonna take out the interior also, because I have a plan with the interior. In the beginning of the series, I told you guys there's a lot of work to be done on Bluey. I wanted to enjoy the car for a little while before we do all this here. That's the reason why I started with the motor, just to get it driving. So, but now that's out the window now. Now this motor is also gonna come out to flush the bay. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put the same motor back in. I might build this motor, get it started on the floor, sell it, and go for something different. But it all depends now. And you guys will just have to wait and see what happens. Because like I said, nothing is finalized yet. But as for the bodywork, that is finalized. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. The new headquarters, the new space we have here, the move, all that stuff. Shout out to all the people that helped us, as I mentioned in the video, as well as shout out to Dinan's Auto Paint, and I'll tell you why in the next episode. Peace.